Welcome back to Elite Planify. If this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. Let's get started. Before we begin, this template includes a detailed instructions page to guide you through every feature. You'll also find a link to our website for more productivity templates, along with our support email if you need any assistance. Here you'll see navigation buttons. Simply click any button to jump directly to its corresponding section. Next, you'll find a sample template included for reference, so you can see how everything is organized and used. Once you're done reviewing the instructions and sample template, switch to the Setup tab. At the top, you'll see your total income, total expenses and bills, total savings, and total debt. These values are calculated automatically based on the data from the month currently selected in the Monthly Budget tab, so there's no need to edit them manually. Below that, you can customize your budget categories by entering your own income, bills, expenses, savings, and debt names. These categories will be used throughout the workbook and will automatically populate the corresponding sections in your monthly budget pages. Next, switch to the Log tab. This is the main data entry page where you'll record all of your financial transactions. For each transaction, enter the date, choose the category, income, bills, expenses, savings, or debt, then select the appropriate subcategory from the drop-down list. After that, enter the amount, and if you'd like, you can also add a note for future reference. Be sure to log all of your transactions here throughout the month. The monthly budget page and all related summaries, totals, and charts are automatically updated based on the entries you make in this transaction log, so this is the only page you'll need to update regularly. Next, switch to the Monthly Budget tab. Start by selecting the month and year from the drop-downs at the top. The dashboard will automatically update to display the budget and actual values for the selected month. The cash flow summary gives you a quick overview of your finances. It shows your rollover, income, bills, expenses, savings, and debt, along with your budgeted and actual amounts, helping you see how much money you have left to spend. Below that, you'll find the income summary, bill tracker, expense summary, savings tracker, and debt tracker. Simply enter your budgeted amounts in each section, while the actual column is filled automatically from the transactions you've logged in the Log tab. This lets you easily compare your planned budget with your actual spending throughout the month. Next, switch to the Calendar tab. Start by selecting the month and year at the top. The calendar will automatically update to display all the dates for the selected month. You can also choose whether your week starts on Sunday or Monday by changing the weekday setting. Next, you'll find the Calendar Entries table. Simply enter the task name and the day of the month. The day must be a valid date for the selected month, between 1 and the month's last day. Otherwise, Excel will display an error. As you add your tasks, they will automatically appear on the correct dates in the calendar. There's no need to edit the calendar itself, just update the Calendar Entries table. If you need a calendar for another month, simply duplicate this sheet and rename it if needed. Then, update the month and year at the top, and the calendar will automatically refresh for the new month. This allows you to maintain a separate planner for each month while keeping the same layout and functionality. At the bottom of the page, you'll find dedicated bill tracker and debt tracker sections. Just like the calendar entries table, you can manually add your bill and debt reminders along with their due dates. These reminders will automatically appear on the calendar on the corresponding dates. helping you keep track of upcoming payments. There's also a notes section where you can write any additional reminders or important information for the month. Next, let's switch to the Subscription Tracker tab. This sheet helps you organize and monitor all your recurring subscriptions in one place. Start by filling out the subscription overview table on the left. Here, simply enter the names of the subscription categories you want to track, such as Netflix, Amazon, Spotify, or any other recurring service. Next, move to the Subscription Tracker table on the right. For each subscription, enter its name, category, billing cycle, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, whether auto-renew is enabled, the debit day, subscription price, and any notes if required. Based on the billing frequency, the template automatically calculates the monthly cost and annual cost for each subscription. The total monthly subscription expense is also calculated automatically at the top of the sheet, while the subscription overview table summarizes your monthly spending by category. This gives you a clear picture of how much you're spending on subscriptions each month and year. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Elite Planify, and hit the notification bell. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.